Okay guys, so we're over here at this transmission shop. They had somebody put a body control module in here and they programmed it. I took the old one out, or put the old one in and took the new one out because it was asking for a clutch pedal input. So I came in here with the Autel to the backup coding and configuration right here, and you can see that's our coding option, JK04C. So we're going to save this. Okay, save successfully. So now I'm going to switch these back over. Let me shut this off. Where's our hazard lights? There they are. So I'm going to switch these modules back around. It looked like a brand new one from Nissan, because there was a Nissan box in here. I don't know if this, yeah, body control module right there. So we're going to put the new one in, and we're going to write the coding. I'll show you what the new one was doing. When you go to start this, oh, it did not say at that time? Let's see. Yeah, see, I can't start it. Why is it not doing it now? Before it was telling me to, before it was telling me that I had to, what was it? Press the clutch pedal. It was coming up with a clutch message. Let's see, which one's the newest one? This one? Let's see if this is alright. Maybe we had to program keys afterwards. But it just kept coming up with a warning before to press the clutch pedal. Oh, did it just try to start? That's awesome though. Guess we'll have to program the key because it has a key light for some reason. Let's see if we have any codes. Yeah, before it just kept saying press clutch pedal, press clutch pedal. I wish I could have caught it. I just want to do a code scan. We'll clear the codes. So the coding that was in this new module was JK16 Charlie, I believe. Let's see, report. Com. Okay, steering lock, BCM 2619. I have to see what a 2619 is. Let's see, quick erase. Let me look up what a 2619 is real quick. Okay, so that looks like a steering lock code. So I just got to erase codes and see if it'll start, and if it's bad, then replace BCM. Okay guys, so every time I try to go into coding, let me show you guys this. Watch this, manual coding. It says JK14C, okay? If I go to, oops, I don't want to back up. Let's go to write configuration data. So if we write our backup that I did from our original one, it says JK04C, okay? So if I write this, okay, successful. So if I go to manual coding and read it real quick, look at that. It never changes it. So that's our issue, because look at this. When we shut the car off, and if I press the start button without pressing the brake, the car powers up, and the high beam lights always come on while I'm holding the start button. It's only when I'm holding the start button. See that? So our coding's messed up. So I'm going to try getting a consult, and we'll see if we can do this. Okay guys, so we're going to try to... I'm going to try to get my J-Box connected here. There we go, CarDAQ 3. Connect. Say reprogram configure. Confirm. We're going to go into oh god, do we need to go under Infinity? I don't think I've ever done Infinity. Okay, there we go. So that worked. I didn't know if we need a different Autel for Infinity because I never had a program in Infinity using console. Usually Autel does it. Okay, confirm. So we want our body control module BCM. Oh, maybe I gotta put the L1 back in. Let me put the L1 back in. Okay, so our old BCM's in. I put our theft lights on. Okay. Let's take a picture of this. Let's go back. Actually, I'm worried that let's see, detect vehicle. I just want to make sure that we get the correct part number out of this and that it didn't pull the part number earlier before I swapped it back. Because putting the hazard lights on should wake the BCM up and everything like we did before. Okay, there we go, confirm. Let's go to BCM. Okay. 4. That's our part number right there. That's our JK04C. Okay, save. Okay, so let's end. guess we'll have to go back in and then go after. Okay, I plugged the old one back in. Let's go back under reprogram and configure. I don't know why it kicked me all the way back. Okay, confirm. This one's giving me the same thing. Transferring data. Oh, unless it did it automatically. Has been completed. Okay, so now guys, when we turn it off, we gotta turn it on. No more headlights. So that's good. So that part's good. So headlights do turn on when I turn the lights on. I do flash. But okay. Let's see if we need to do anything else. Let me switch back to my Autel. See, because this car may have other problems. Let's go back to my Autel. And when this connects, I'll do a full system scan. I'll let that scan. Because we did a scan with the console, but I'm more familiar with this than the console. Let's see. Come on. So I'm going to let this scan. I'll clear the codes and we'll see if we get anything else. If we still have that other code, it's probably going to be a steering lock. so that just finished. Let's go to report. BCM backup circuit. We still got that 2619. Let's try clearing it. I was told if you clear it, you can get the car to start. That's what I was reading. I don't know if that's possible or not. Oh, there we go. It runs. Let's see if we still get the code. Ah, it's probably going to be a steering lock. Let's do a fault scan. Let's see, pause. Now we'll just let this fully scan. And then I'll save the codes. Okay, so now guys, when we turn it off, we gotta turn it on. No more headlights. So that's good. So that part's good. So headlights do turn on when I turn the lights on. High beams flash. But okay. Let's see if we need to do anything else. Let me switch back to my Autel and we'll see, because this car may have other problems. Let's go back to my Autel. And when this connects, I'll do a full system scan. I'll let that scan. Because we did a scan with the console, but I'm more familiar with this than the console. Let's see. Oh, my key's off. So let's turn that back on. So I'm going to let this scan. I'll clear the codes and we'll see if we get anything else. If we still have that other code, it's probably going to need a steering lock. Okay, so that just finished. Let's go to report. BCM backup circuit. We still got that 2619. Let's try clearing it. I was told if you clear it, you can get the car to start. That's what I was reading. I don't know if that's possible or not. Oh, there we go. It runs. Let's see if we still get the code. Oh, it's probably gonna need a steering lock. Let's do a fault scan. Let's see, pause. Now we'll just let this fully scan. And then I'll save the codes. Okay guys, so it still has the BCM code. So if we quick erase this, I should be able to start it right after it comes out of that. Or do we gotta wait? There it goes. Look at that. So it does run. So I hope you guys like this. I'm gonna clean up. I'm gonna tell them it needs a steering lock. See you guys later.